Assalamualaikum and hi to all my classmates and my lecturers as me. So I'm from group 2 to present about mental illness. So firstly I want to introduce to my group mates. First one is me, Muhammad Zulfikri bin Anwar, 19 DRG21F 1058. The second one is Nur Fazadan binti Omar, 19 DRG21 1022, and third one is Aina Nadira binti Muhammad Rais, 19 DRG21 1014. The last one is Nur Farah Afina binti Muhammad Saskri, 19 DRG21 F1025. So firstly I want to give the point to Nur Fazana binti Omar to present. Thank you.
Bipolar is a mental illness which is obvious and bad emotionally. Back then, it used to be called as manic depression, but the name is no longer to be used. It is caused emotionally unstable and change in real quick like from happy to sad, then worse in short time. The period of the unstable emotional is different by individual. In the nutshell, this unstable emotional changing can cause difficulty in having a normal routine. Although bipolar disorder is a lifelong condition, you can manage your mood swings and other symptoms by following a treatment plan. In most cases, bipolar disorder is treated with medical and psychological counseling.
Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. Fortunately, it is also treatable. Depression causes feeling of sadness and a loss of interest in activities you watch and enjoy. It can lead to a variety of emotional and physical problems and can decrease your ability to function at work and home. Yes, depression also can cause change in appetite, which can make weight loss and or gain unrelated to dieting. Then trouble sleeping or sleeping too much also one of the depression symptoms that can cause your body stamina decrease. Lastly, not of that or suicide also can be a symptom of depression. Thank you.
Next, personality disorders are a group of mental illnesses that involve long-term patterns of thought and behavior that are unhealthy and inflexible. The behavior cause serious problems with relationship and work. People with personality disorders have trouble dealing with everyday stresses and problems. They often have stormy relationships with other people. The causes of personality disorders is unknown. However, genes and childhood experiences may play a role. The symptoms of each personality disorder are different. They can mild or severe. People with personality disorders may have trouble realizing that they have a problem. To them, their thoughts are normal, and they often blame others for their problems. They may try to get help because of their problems with relationship and work. Treatment usually includes talk, therapy, and sometimes medicine.
Okay, so now we are going to talk about anxiety. Anxiety is a normal feeling of anxious about doing something new. This type of anxiety is really unpleasant to us, and it may prevent you to stop doing something that you loved before. So, these are the type of anxiety disorder that I found. The first one is panic disorder. Number 2 is phobia. Number 3 is social anxiety disorder. Number 3 is obsessive compulsive disorder. Number 4 is separation anxiety disorder. Number 5 is illness anxiety disorder, and the last one is post-traumatic stress disorder. And there is also a symptom of general anxiety include. The first one is increased heart rate. Second one is rapid breathing. Number 3 is restlessness. Number 4 is trouble concentrating, and the last one is difficulty for falling asleep. There is a way to cope the anxiety from happening to us. The first one is getting enough sleep. Number 2 is meditating. Number 3 is staying active and exercising. Number 4 is eating a healthy diet. Number 5 is avoiding alcohol and caffeine. And the last one is quitting smoking cigarettes. These are the few methods that we use to cope anxiety from happening to us. So that's all for me. Thank you. In conclusion, we must take an action and really put our focus on this matter, because the mental illness is not something that we need to take on easy. And moreover, there is a lot of evidence that prove us that mental illness is really happening around us, and it's getting worse in our country. So the government should take a really responsibility on this and really focus on this matter, because so that the mental illness percentage in our country will be decreasing, and it will help our country to give a birth to a better and useful generation that could help our country grow in the future. So that's all from our group, and thank you.